Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows 11 taskbar icon missing. So as you can see here, the taskbar looks a bit strange. It looks a bit, let's say, blurry. The icons are there, but you're not able to see the icons, right? So all you have to do to fix this is just right click on the Windows icon or the Windows logo here, and you want to access your task manager. In case these are also gone, guys, you can just simply do a Control Alt Delete on your computer and you will see that you have taskbar. So let me go ahead and show you. So if I do Control Alt Delete, you should see that you have your lock screen, task manager, and so forth. So you want to go ahead and access your task manager. Now once you're inside task manager, you want to go ahead and look for the Windows Explorer, find it, and just simply go ahead and restart the Windows Explorer. Once you do that, it should dim your computer, your taskbar should disappear, but you should also see it appear again, and you should be able to see all of your icons. And as you can see in my taskbar now, it is now appeared and I can see all of my icons again. And that's it.